more dynamic than ever. Featuring a wealth of digital innovations and, for the first time, all-electric drive, this is how the new BMW 5 Series Sedan steps up to the plate. As the BMW i5, the new edition of the world's most successful business sedan takes the lead on the road to sustainable premium mobility in the upper mid-range vehicle segment. Consistent electrification, advanced BMW Curved Display and control system, with QuickSelect, new digital services, and increased sustainability throughout the entire product life cycle characterize the progress made in the fields of the future, which are centrally important in the current transformation of the BMW Group. A clear and reduced design language emphasizes the new 5 Series sedan's sporty elegance and presence. Compared to the predecessor model, the new edition has grown in length by 97 mm to 5,060 mm, in width by 32 mm to 1,900 mm, and in height by 36 mm to 1,515 mm. Its wheelbase was lengthened by 20 mm to 2,985 mm. The front view of the new BMW 5 Series sedan is characterized by a modern interpretation of the twin headlights and BMW kidney grille. LED elements arranged almost vertically serve as turn indicators and daytime driving lights. The BMW kidney grille, which projects far forward, features a wide surround and optional BMW Iconic Glow contour lighting. In the side view, the high shoulder line, powerfully designed surfaces, and two precisely traced character lines shape the vehicle's athletic body. Black side skirts, flush-mounted door openers, and an embossed number 5 at the base of the C-pillar are further eye-catchers. The dynamically stretched proportions flow into a powerful rear end. Flat rear lights divided by a chrome strip interpret the hallmark L-shape expressively. The dynamic character of the new BMW 5 Series sedan can be further enhanced with the optional M Sport package, the M Sport Package Pro, and the M Carbon exterior package. The range of paintwork already includes 3 BMW individual paint finishes at market launch. The new BMW 5 Series sedan offers ideal conditions for enjoying hallmark BMW driving pleasure in everyday traffic and a high level of comfort on long-distance journeys. Generous space, modern functionality, a high level of acoustic comfort, as well as high-quality, precisely processed materials, fine workmanship, and advanced digital services characterize the ambiance in its interior. The cockpit of the new BMW 5 Series has a significantly reduced number of buttons and controls compared to the predecessor model. This is achieved by consistently digitalizing functions. The BMW Curved Display reinterprets the brand's hallmark idea of driver orientation. The fully digital display system consists of a 12.3-inch information display and a 14.9-inch control display. The steering wheel has also been redesigned with a flattened lower section and haptic feedback on the control panels and the selector lever on the center console. The all-electric BMW i5 is equipped with extensively enhanced 5th-generation BMW eDrive technology and is being launched in 2 variants. The BMW i5 M60 xDrive, which combines an up to 442 kW 601 HP drive with hallmark M performance and specific design features. 2 highly integrated drive units on the front and rear axles make up an electric all-wheel drive. The system torque generated is up to 820 Nm when M Sport Boost or the M Launch control function is activated. This enables the BMW i5 M60 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.8 seconds. Its top speed is electrically limited to 230 km/h. The BMW i5 eDrive 40 is also available. Its electric motor drives the rear wheels and generates a maximum output of 250 kW 40 HP. And a maximum torque of up to 430 Nm with Sport Boost or Launch control function. The BMW i5 eDrive 40 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 6.0 seconds. Its top speed is 193 km/h. The space-saving high-voltage battery is located in the underbody and provides a usable energy content of 81.2 kWh. In addition to the efficient electric motors, the latest version of adaptive recuperation, and an intelligent combination of heat pump technology for heating and cooling the interior, drive and high-voltage battery contribute to the long range. The respective WLTP values are 455, 516 km for the BMW i5 M60 xDrive, and 497, 582 kilometers for the BMW i5 eDrive 40. With the new max range function, the range can be increased by up to 25% if required by limiting power and speed and deactivating comfort functions. The combined charging unit of the BMW i5 enables AC charging with an output of up to 11 kW as standard and up to 22 kW as an option. The high-voltage battery can be charged with direct current with a power of up to 205 kW. For example, the battery charge level in the BMW i5 can be raised from 10 to 80% in around 30 minutes. The new connected home charging is offered for the BMW i5 as well as for the plug-in hybrid models. It creates the conditions for solar and load-optimized charging, Stage 1, and for cost-optimized charging based on a dynamic electricity tariff contract, Stage 2 from 2024. In addition, the offer of BMW charging and its strategic cooperation partner E.ON lays the foundations for networking with the energy market through bidirectional charging in future generations of vehicles.